Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing the variables and the data types in C++ language. So let's start. Variable is a storage address paired with an associated name. Let us take an example. The memory is like this, and we make a variable a with the value of 10. Then in any phrase space of memory, it will create a location for which variable a can be stored. Data types, they are means to identify the type of data and associated operation of handling operations. There are majorly two categories of data types, fundamental and derived. The fundamental consist of these and derived consist of these. There is also a third category, that is user defined data types. It consists of these types. Now let's see how to declare a variable in C++. Let us take an example for this. We name a variable a of data type integer with a value of 5. Let's print the value of a. Now let's make the data type as float and take input from user and then displays it. It's like this. Thank you.